Hopefully I got a good angle. 0, 0, 3 bars, S. This is like a mile and a half and I'm gonna go top speed. Hopefully I won't get interrupted. Let's go. I'm on 0 to 19, meaning I could just put my foot onto the thing, the baseboard, and go. 5 quick presses get you that. Enjoy the ride. My hand's on the brake. I'm about top speed, 17 seconds in the ride. When I get down to that light, I'm gonna let go because I know I'm gonna be on cruise control. Cruise control, you heard that little snap? And here I go. The wind is kicking against me and the bumps. I'm using a DJI Osmo Action 4 with the DJI Mic 2 artificial noise canceling. So hopefully my voice and the wind, they won't, cause issues. You'll hear me nice and fine. I don't feel like I'm going 19 miles per hour, but I am. I got it set up into my lane as the scooter bicyclists are coming by. Now we got a bicyclist will go by. Try to watch out for that water. We don't want to go through water. Scooter's water resistant, IP rated, but take care of your scooter. The EC8. Oh yeah, man. It's a fun scooter. I wish for me I had a seat. I want a seat. I want to be able to sit down and relax when I ride. My hand is gripping tight. I'm on the brake. And I'm almost finished with my a mile ride. I'm gonna have some people in my way. School zone. I gotta slow on down. That is the ride. What we're gonna do is gonna turn. Good morning, good afternoon. And we'll go down this way. Oh yeah. Watch out for that bump. This bump hurts. I'll try to go over this one comfortable. Oh, it's a dead end. And we're gonna cut through. I don't want to make a super fast turn on tar and sand. It's an off-road EC8. You can go off-road, no problem. As you can see, I'm doing it mighty fine. I'm gonna have to get off and just go over here like so. I don't like to jump off those things. That's me. Oh yeah. All right. That's the show for the EC8 by Ecoroad. Check it on out. 2 bars. 2 bars.